My name is Gilles Giglionda. I am R&D Key Market Manager. I am leading Constellium research and development activities for packaging, in particular for beverage, can, and personal care products. I'm based in CTEC, Constellium Technology Center, where more than 200 scientists are helping Constellium to optimize their manufacturing processes or developing new aluminum solutions for customers. From its origins in 1959, when Coors developed the first all-aluminum two-piece beverage can, they developed at the same time the first incentive for consumer for recycling. So it was clear from the beginning that the beverage can was developed with sustainability in mind. Over the last 60 years, continuous innovations in alloys, coatings, design, and manufacturing processes have made it the most recycled beverage packaging in the world. Today, it's embraced not only for traditional beverages, but for everything from water and wine to seltzers and cocktails. The can body is made from AA3104, an alloy which is well suited for high recycled content. The can end is made from AA5182, which requires higher inputs of purer materials and is less compatible with recycling scrap. While used beverage cans, also called UBCs, are efficiently recycled into new can bodies, the can end is made from AA5182, which requires higher inputs of purer materials and is less compatible with recycling scrap. Constellium is part of a European-level standardization initiative, working with other leading can sheet producers to improve the circularity of the can. Constellium is working on a can end alloy which is more recycle-friendly than 5182. It is engineered to absorb more recycled material, in particular UBCs, to improve circularity. Importantly, this alloy requires only a minimal increase in gauge, the metal thickness, compared to the full uni-alloy solution, which uses AA3104, a softer alloy for the can end. The recycling-friendly alloy is a key initiative led by Constellium R&D Center, CTEC. CTEC provides the expertise, the metallurgical modeling, and the pilot manufacturing capabilities, which are essentials for this project. For this project, our plants in Muscle Shoals, Alabama, USA, and Neubrizach, France, are producing trial coils for industrial evaluation by customers. Regulations from EFSA in Europe and FDA in US are driving a transition away from legacy epoxy coatings to new options, more sustainable, like polyesters or acrylics. These changes aim to enhance food safety by reducing potential chemical migration. Constellium works closely with coating suppliers and can makers to ensure compliance and successful adoption of these newer materials. The process begins in the lab at CTEC, where new coatings are first applied on small sheets using a bar coater, and then tested for properties like appearance, color, adhesion, or friction coefficient. If results are promising, the next step is pilot line trials, where application behavior and process parameters are studied. Coated coils are then formed into ends using CTEC can end manufacturing pilot lines to assess real-world performance, including the can opening. Finally, once validated, full-scale industrial trials are conducted at our plants and the customer lines to ensure performance before mass production. Using CTEC pilot lines reduces both cost and risk of coating trials. It minimizes the amount of coating and metal needed, it avoids disrupting regular plant operations, and it helps to identify issues early before moving to mass production. The global push to reduce plastic use, to increase recycling, and to cut carbon emissions is boosting demand for aluminum cans. Consumers and brands choose cans for their environmental performance. Meanwhile, industry innovation continues to increase recycled content, to develop more sustainable coatings and efficient recycling systems. At Constellium, we are committed to boosting the recycled content in the can body stock and in the can end stock. This includes investing in new alloy development, increasing recycling capacity, and working with partners to improve scrap collection rates. At the same time, we are staying at the forefront of coating innovations to ensure food safety, regulatory compliance, and efficient processing. With continued innovation, the aluminum beverage can is becoming even more sustainable, and Constellium is playing a key role on this journey.